Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you the most simple looking yet perfectly working remotely controlled camera slider for less than $50. Yes, you heard it right, and let's jump right into it. So in step 1, I just got a 1 meter wood, but it all depends on how long you want. I'm gonna glue the 2 extra wood I bought and see if the car is moving within the track. So I'm done gluing and the car is actually moving within the track. So I'm actually all good for the track. And now jumping into step 2. In step 2, it is pretty much customizing the car. If you already got a remotely controlled car, you can literally skip this step and you're 95% done. But since I couldn't find any car that will fit my width of the wood, I had to go with the car that just got a motor and also fit within my track. But I was fortunate to find a remote from my previous toys, so I'm gonna connect that remote control to this motor. So I'm right now connecting all the wires that is necessary to connect to the motor. I've taped all the wires so everything is compact. I already glued my camera holder up at the top, so in that way I could also mount my camera. When I actually built it, wood was really rough. I just added some plain tapes, and after that it actually gave me some smooth movements. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and see you on the next one.